Okay, students, let's start today's session. Look at this question number 12. 8 persons K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S are sitting on a rectangular table and facing away from the center such that 2 persons are sitting on at each side of the rectangular table but not necessarily in the same order. How many persons? 8 persons. And they are all facing outside. Most important here is 2 persons are sitting on each of the given sides. Nobody is in the corner. R sits third to the right of M. Now R sits third to the right of M. I told you, whenever you come across this type of questions, 2 people on each side, it is not that easy to mark the answer. Because R sits third to the right of M ante, I can take M here, I can take M here. Because somewhere or the other you will find a clue which says some people are sitting on the same side. 2 persons are sitting on the same side. For example, A and B are sitting on the same side antadu. Appudu by taking M here, it might you may not get the answer. Or else by taking M here, you can get the answer. So this is where you have the differences. Andukosam nenu em chepta ante, we'll go with any one possibility. This is M, third right lo R. Antena? M sits third to the right of R. Next. R sits third to the right of M. One person sits between S and L. One person sits between S and L ante telusa manaki emana? K sits second to the left of P. Both P and L sit on the same side of the table. Q sits second to the left of M. Q sits second to the left of M. Happy? Ippudu there is one point here. Both P and L sit on the same side of the table. Both P and L sit on the same side of the table ante obvious ga pakka ide avvali kada. Cheppandamma. Tarvata emani cheppadu? Cheppandi. K sits second to the left of P. K sits second to left of P. This is the only possibility that I have. There is no other option. K sits second to the left of P ante this is L. Inka dani mundu point enti, one person sits between S and L. Last line chadu. The number of persons sitting between R and S. How much is between R and S? 0. Same as L and N. L and N. Am I getting the answer? Where did we go wrong? Position of M, third right lo R, second to the left of M, evaru? Q. Q sits second to the left of, antena? P and L gurinchi maatladali manam. P and L are sitting on the same side of the table. Yes. Inkem cheppadu? Oka point cheppadu. K sits second to the left of P. If I put P here second left, will I get? No. Ma? వస్తుందా రాదా? ఎప్పుడైనా గుర్తుపెట్టుకో, వీడు అవుట్ సైడ్ ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నాడు. మనం రెగ్యులర్గా నేను క్లాస్లో చెప్తా ఉంటా, వెనెవర్ యూ ఆర్ స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ ఇన్సైడ్, ఐ టెల్ యూ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద బాటమ్ ప్లేస్. వెనెవర్ యూ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ అవుట్ సైడ్, ఐ టెల్ యూ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద టాప్ ప్లేస్. అవునా కాదా? ఎందుకోసం అంటే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి అమ్మా, ఇక్కడ ఈ వ్యక్తి ఎవరైతే కూర్చున్నాడో నీకు ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్లో కూర్చున్నాడు. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? దట్ ఫెలో ఇస్ ఫేసింగ్ యూ. ఇజంట్ క్లియర్? బికాస్ ద ఆరో ఇస్ పాయింటింగ్ టువర్డ్స్ యూ కదా. అంటే అప్పుడు యువర్ రైట్ బికమ్స్ లెఫ్ట్ అండ్ యువర్ లెఫ్ట్ బికమ్స్. రో అరేంజ్మెంట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ లైన్ పెడితే వాడిని సౌత్ అనుకుంటామా నార్త్ అనుకుంటామా? ఇప్పుడు దిస్ ఫెలో హియర్ ఈస్ ఫేసింగ్ నార్తా సౌతా అంటే అప్పుడు యువర్ రైట్ బికమ్స్ లెఫ్ట్, యువర్ లెఫ్ట్ బికమ్స్ రైట్ కదమ్మా. చెప్పండి. K sits second to the left of P. కుదురుతుందా? కుదురుతుందా? This is L. One person between L and S. One person between R and N. The number of people between L and S should be equals to R and S. Sorry, R and S should be equals to L and N. So R and S one person, L and N one person. Done? చెప్పండమ్మా. dash sits second to the left of R. Who is sitting second to the left of R? మా చెప్పండి, ఏమైనా పొరపాటు జరిగిందా? వన్ పర్సన్ సిట్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఎస్ అండ్ ఎల్. కరెక్టే కదా? ఇందా నేను రాసి ఇది వచ్చేసి ఆర్ అండ్ ఎస్. హౌ మెనీ పర్సన్స్? హౌ మెనీ పర్సన్స్? 3 persons. ఎల్ అండ్ ఎన్ హౌ మెనీ పర్సన్స్? సరిపోయింది కదా? చలో, second to the left of R. Second left of R is N. What is the position of L with respect to S? Position of L with respect to S. Cheppandamma. Second to the left. Who among the following persons sit on the same side of M? Along with M? Cheppandamma. 4 out of the following 5, N and Q. What is the minimum number of people between N and Q? What's the minimum number of people? R and M. R and M, what is the minimum number of people? L and M. L and M, 2. Q and R. P and L. There is no person between P and L. Minimum. Which option is my answer? Ma? Look at the questions on syllogism. Some ants are rats are, sorry. Only a few rats are bugs. No bug is fog. Some rats are frogs. Is there any relationship between rat and frog? Some rats are not frog. Right? Positive or negative? Negative. Complementary. All rats are frogs. Around rats, can you draw frogs? Why? If you draw fog around rat, what will happen? Bug and fog will touch each other. This is not supposed to be done. So what's the answer? Only all cats are dogs. Only a few dogs are fogs. Some fogs are duck. All ducks can be dogs. Can I take all the ducks and put them inside dog? Is it a possibility? Yes. All cats can be fogs. Can I take all the cats and put them inside fog? Yes. Is it a possibility? Yes, it is a possibility. Let's see question number 33. A certain number of persons purchase different things one after the other in the same day but at same time. C purchases either first or last. Next is what? As many persons purchase between D and F as between E and D. D and F equals to E and D. 8 persons purchased between 8 persons purchased between E and B. Only 1 person purchased between C and E. Okay, how many persons between E and B? B purchased third either from first or from end. B purchased third either from first or from end. Next is what? No person purchased between B and A. Only 1 person purchased between A and F, and both have purchased after B. Both have purchased after B. No one purchased between B and A. 1 person between A and F. Both purchased after B kada. No one purchased between B and A. 1 person purchased between B and F, but there is a problem. Both should be purchasing after B. Done kada? So ikkada manaki emani ichadu? The number of persons between D and F is equals to E and D. I can say that D is exactly between F and E. How many persons between F and E? 5. So pakka this is the place where you can go for D. Is this clear? Come on. How many persons purchased in the shop? Please count. Amma, 14 persons. How many persons purchased before F? How many before F? 5. If G purchased immediately after D, if G purchased immediately after D, how many persons purchased between G and F? How many persons? 3 persons. As per the given arrangement, E is related to C. E is related to C. 2 places before C. Then who is related to F? Ma? A. F is related to A. 2 places before F. Done? Number series now. This is into 2 plus 0.2. What is 2.5 into 2? 5 plus 0.2. What about this? Into 1 plus 0.1. This is into 5 plus 0.5. What should be my number here? Into 3 plus 0.3 into 4 plus 0.4. 5.2 into 3. 15.6. 15.6 plus 3. 15.9 into 4 is obvious go. Sarana? Increasing or decreasing? Huge increase or gradual increase? So I think this is best. Can I say this is into 4? Into 3 into 2 plus 20 into 1 plus 10. What will be my answer? 20. Clear? Only a few stands are rooms. All rooms are chairs. No chair is a table. First one, some rooms are not tables is a possibility. Some rooms are not tables is directly possible in the basic diagram. 100% guaranteed is right. All chairs are stands is a possibility. Can I take all the chairs and put them inside stand? Can I take all chairs and put them inside stands? Or else can I simply write C equals to S? Any problem? Is it a possibility? Yes. Some fruits are apples. Only a few apples are mangoes. Some mangoes are kiwis. What is the first conclusion? Some fruits are kiwis. Any relation? No. Some apples are kiwis? No. What's the answer? Neither one, not two. Seven persons A, B, C, D, F, G are standing in a straight line facing north at equal distance but not necessarily in the same order. Each of them is a director, different professions, actor, reporter, doctor, engineer, lawyer, teacher and painter but not necessarily in the same order. G is standing fifth to the left of C. What is G is doing? G is fifth to the left of C. This is G. How many places did I cover? Come on, come on. And I need only one place. Maybe that one extra place is here, or else this is that extra place kada. Avuna kada. Next one chudam. Reporter is standing third position to the right of G. Reporter third position to the right of G. F is standing fifth to the right of A. F is standing fifth to the right of A ante we will cover another 6 places. Already one person and one person are in the corner. Chappandamma. So pakka this is A, this is F. Enduko F is standing fifth position to the right of A. Right of A fifth position. Clear? Next, E is standing second to the left of B. E is standing what? E is standing second to the left of B. There is only one possibility, B, E. Who is left out? A, B, C, D. Antena? E is standing second to the left of B. Engineer is standing second position to the left of D. Engineer is standing second position to the left of D. Next, E is an actor. He is an actor. 3 persons are sitting between engineer and painter. 3 persons are sitting between engineer and painter. Next, the doctor is to the immediate left of engineer. Lawyer sits second to the right of teacher. Teacher second right, not possible. Teacher second right. Done? Come on. Please copy. We'll mark the answer. Who is sitting between C and D? Who is sitting between C and D? Come on. What is the position of A with respect to the one who is the teacher? Third to the left. Based on the given arrangement, which of the following is true? Only 2 persons are sitting between the one who is a reporter and C. No, only one person is there. Only 2 persons are sitting to the left of the one who is a teacher. None of the given options is true. We'll come back to that later after we see the other 2 other options. A and D are immediate neighbors of D. No. E sits on the immediate left of D. Yes. Which option? Fifth option. Who among the following sits second to the left of B? Who is sitting second to the left of B? E. Antena? Eight persons: Iqbal, Lucky, Advik, Lohit, Nihal, Pranav, Ronit and Tejas. The first letters are repeating for only 2 persons. One is Lohit and other one is Lucky. Sitting on a square table, 4 of them are sitting at the corners and 4 of them are sitting in the middle of the sides. Each person sits at the corners are facing outside and the one sits at the sides are facing inside. Nihal sits at one of the sides. Only 2 persons sits between Nihal and Pranav. How many persons? 2 persons are sitting between Nihal and Pranav ante this fellow Pranav should be in one of the corners kada. Either that or this. And pakka will be in the corner. Chappanamma. First I will go for this. If I don't get the answer, I still have a possibility. Next is what? One person sits between Pranav and Lucky, where Lucky is not an immediate neighbor of Nihal. So one person sits between Pranav and Lucky. This is Lucky. Because Lucky is not an immediate neighbor of Nihal. Done kada? Next. 2 persons sits between Lucky and Advik. Only one possibility. Next, Iqbal and Tejas. Iqbal sits to the immediate left of Tejas. This is the place for Iqbal and Tejas. Iqbal sits third to the left of Ronit. Lohit sits second to the left of Pranav. This is Lohit. These 2 places are here for Iqbal and Tejas. Who is left out? Ronit. Dan mundu point in the Iqbal is third to the left of Ronit. This is Tej. Iqbal sits to the immediate left of Tejas. Done. Is this clear? Yes or no? Let's look into the option. Who among the following is not sitting opposite to each other? Pranav and Nikhil sitting opposite to each other or not opposite to each other? Who is second to the left of Tejas? Nihal. Who among the following sits exactly between Pranav and Lucky? Exactly between Pranav and Lucky. Ronit. Who sits third to the right of Lucky? Third to the right of Lucky is again Nihal. There are 7 members in a family consisting 2 married couples. C is the grandfather of K. C is the grandfather of K. D is the mother of L. D is the mother. Everki L. E is the sister-in-law of L. L who is the brother of F. L who is the brother of F. B is the child of E. What did he say? B is the child of E. K is the grandson of D. Who is this K? Grandson of D. Maybe C and K can be a married couple. Maybe they are a married couple. According to question, there are only 7 people. And how many married couples? 2 married couples. He told us E is the sister-in-law of L. Sister-in-law of L. Can I go for E here? Is it a possibility? Yes. Next is B is the child of E. K is the grandson of D. F has only one daughter. Done? Because the number is very less, only 7 people, and out of that there need to be 2 married couples. 36. Who among the following person is father of F? C. How is B related to C? B is the granddaughter of